Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your AI avatar on the Artflow website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do is simply we need to go to the website of the Artflow, and then we have to go to this option which is called Image Studio. So let's click on the Image Studio. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the create your first image. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, different types of images are provided here. Now you have to choose that which type of image you want. For example, I'm going to select the image like this. You can write the query here. You can write your prompt here. You can also choose the image from them. And after that, as you can see, you have to click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, your image will be generated. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it generates the result. And then we will be able to select that one. So as you can see, the result is here. The images are generated. Now you have to choose that which image you want. If you want to use these image, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this image and we are going to open this one. So as you can see now the picture is here. The size is also provided here. These each and everything is provided here. If you want to use this one, use this one. These all images are provided here. As you can see, if you want to download this, you have to click on the download and the image will be downloaded. So in this way, you can generate AI images on the Artflow website. You can download them, you can edit them. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.